Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2015 Ford Explorer with the V6 engine. You're going to locate it on the driver's side in front of the battery right here. This is the part number for the engine air filter from Ford. We will start with removing the clamp here with a flathead screwdriver. Next we're going to remove two clamps, one right here and one buried further back. Now remove the intake pipe by pushing it back, and then we'll lift up. And then we can remove the filter. Any debris you have in here, you really want to vacuum that out. Now for the new filter, it doesn't matter if you put it this way or this way. So you can just slide it in whichever way. Push it in, make sure it fits in there nice and good. All the edges are flat. And now we're gonna slide in the air box. These three notches are gonna fit in down here first. You'll see the three holes, 1, 2, and 3. Right here you can see that the intake pipe has made full contact with the air cleaner box here. So once this is nice and flat, we can go ahead and tighten down the clamp. Now we just put these two clamps back together. And you're all set. That's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, or if I helped you save some money, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.